5 goals of social media marketing at Clincher. Everybody uses social media. There's no avoiding it. It's our number one place to stay connected to friends, family, colleagues, news, and, most notably, to marketers, companies, and brands. Brands use social media marketing to connect with their audience and even reduce friction for their buyers to reach their products or services. Consumers also expect businesses to be online ready and waiting to answer their inquiries and solve their pain points. There are now more than 2.3 billion active social media users, making social media an unavoidable part of your marketing strategy. Unlike the past, where marketers blindly advertised and hoped for the best, social media provides your company the opportunity to engage with customers in real time. Merely being there isn't enough. Your primary business goal is to engage your target audience and interact with every loyal or potential customer to grow a substantial following. Setting SMART. Social media goals. The most crucial aspect of any social media strategy is to set SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely social media marketing goals. Posting blindly and expecting to achieve massive amounts of new sales would be like cooking without the right ingredients and expecting perfection. By setting goals before you begin, it's easier to measure social media success or failure. These social media goals aren't always focused on money or return on investment, and they shouldn't be. Social media marketing is more about engagement with your target audience and providing solutions to problems rather than selling. Successful brands create inbound marketing opportunities and educate versus sell. 5 goals of social media marketing. 1. Brand awareness. Brand awareness is all about your brand becoming relevant to potential buyers in the places where your buyers will be. How can you increase brand awareness through your social channels? This also means posting content regularly that answers the questions your customers are asking in the accepted mediums your audience is expecting. That content includes links to blog posts, infographics, statistics, and relevant articles. But don't forget to show the world who your brand is by posting photos of employees, the office, and company events. You can also post humorous, relevant memes that support your brand. This will help build a connection with customers and your core audience, and increase brand awareness. By following your company's mentions on your social media channels and outside social media, you can find out what customers are saying about your brand and respond to complaints promptly, understand how your brand is perceived, and gain insights into reputation management and brand public relations. In fact, according to Social Media Today, when companies engage and respond to customer service requests over social media, those customers end up spending 20–40% more with the company. Answering promptly and solving challenges with a sense of urgency allows you to stay ahead of large-scale PR concerns and creates brand loyalty and trust in your company, product, or service. You can tackle the influx of interactions filtering into a unified social inbox through a third-party social media manager tools or reputation management tool. Brand loyalty has always been one of the most critical factors in long-term growth. In the past, companies relied on word of mouth. Social media provides an entirely new platform where brand loyalty can be shared with thousands of people in real time. It is extremely important to focus on differentiation. What sets you apart from your competition? Know how you are different, and then capitalize on your strengths. By continuously engaging with customers, your company can stay up to date on the problems they're facing and develop solutions. Just as importantly, follow your competitors on social media to see how they engage their customers if they're facing any complaints, and rolling out any promotions or new products. A great way to track competitors is using a Clincher's suggested content feeds, where you can create and save feeds based on specific keywords. If you're not leveraging social channels to acquire leads and generate sales, you're not using social media marketing to your advantage. This is what most companies strive for first, but fail to realize that it's unlikely that sales will grow without time spent on the first 4 social media goals. Every social media channel provides an excellent opportunity to interact with potential customers, both personally and at an organizational level, to gauge their pain points and understand their primary corporate culture. Thinking through inbound social media marketing strategies, this knowledge allows for a warm call when you first engage, as opposed to a cold call outreach strategy. Social media marketing is a multifaceted approach that, when used properly, can help grow your business by creating brand awareness, engaging with customers, and finding new customers. However, it is impossible to be everywhere, which is why you need to find the social media channels that are right for your company and your brand. For instance, 90% of Instagram users are younger than 35. But even if that's your target market, it still doesn't mean Instagram is the right channel for your brand. Your organization needs to set smart social media goals so successes and failures can be appropriately measured. More often than not, especially in the beginning, it is better to focus on engagement and building a social media presence. If you jump right into selling, you may lose traction before getting started. Use your knowledge and expertise to provide solutions to problems, and you will present your company as a trusted advisor that people want to buy from.